Nintendo Labo. This is such an interesting development. It's not something I would have ever expected to see when I first started playing with the Switch. Such a bizarre and odd thing, but that's what's good about it. Nintendo, they like to go off the wall sometimes in the name of fun. And that's what I hope to have today. It's a little bit Lego, it's a little bit video game, it's a lot of cardboard. This kit in front of me is called the Variety Kit. This keyboard, motorcycle game, I don't actually know what that one is, and then there's fishing as well, and you build it. Make, play, discover. What? Design your own Toy-Con using your own household items. This dude turned a tennis racket into a guitar. Let's crack this open. Toy-Con 01, the game disc. Ooh. String, some rubber gaskets, elastic bands. Whoa. Someone sat down in the boardroom and they're like, I got it. Stacks of cardboard. What do you think? So this is the stack that I need for the keyboard. In order to get the instructions, it happens on the actual Switch. So I'm gonna insert this. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Make, play, discover. We're in the make zone right now because, well, I haven't made anything yet. So let's do that. Welcome to Nintendo Labo. That's actually kind of nice. Zoom in like this and out like that. Can I help you, or what do you,
can I take a crack at this?
Yeah, man, have a, yeah.
All right, cool.
Let me know when you're finished, though. I want to play the keyboard first.
Yes, sir.
Would you look at that? It's like a cooking show. You know, you put it in the oven, it's ready right away. Thank you, Will. Thanks for that, brother. There's a Joy-Con over here in the back. Not really, where do I go from here? I guess we're ready to move on to the play part now. The toy piano is bouncing around, it's lit up. It looks three-dimensional because the Labo is built. Where do I put this? It goes up here. Oh, baby. We are active. What happens? Ooh. I've hooked this up to a speaker just to amplify it a little bit more. I've been trying to figure out how this is working because it's just a piece of cardboard. How is it reading, you know, the input from these various notes? Will had a theory that the infrared is somehow reading the location of those stickers from back here. I don't know if he's right. I don't know if he's wrong. Either way, it's quite magical. There's no transmission of anything happening. I mean, it doesn't even need to be in there. Look. See what I'm saying? A pitch bend over on the side here. What looks to be a record button, so I guess there's some kind of sequencer in here. A play pause button, and then these little knobs over here. Wow, that is definitely how it works. It must be infrared. Who else discovered that? That's not what you're supposed to do with this. This goes in this location here. It's like a modifier. It's like bass. It's like a bass line. Ow! Whoa! What am I? So what happens if I twist this knob then? This is the weirdness I'm talking about with Nintendo. Here we go. Vibes though. This is fun. This thing's kind of fun. I would buy this for a kid. Let the imagination, let it flow. You got a problem? Come talk to me. Most of what Jack says sounds exactly like this. Oh, hey, Jack, what's happening, man? How was your weekend? You know, did you get up to anything? Was it cool? Was it fun? This is an entire sequencer. Holy bananarama. Like what? Like sequence dots that you're gonna keep in a Ziploc bag and put into this contraption and then slide it in and then scan it like this. Look what happens. It's scanning the note inputs, pitch bend. I like to see stuff like this, thinking outside the box, even when you're using materials that would normally make a box. Here on Unbox Therapy. Oh, wow, that was unintentional. I do need to give a quick... So you might have noticed during that video, this slick look that I had on my Nintendo Switch. That right there is from D-brand skins. They're flying off the shelves like hotcakes. You can mix and match, it really gets crazy, I promise you. Would you look at that? Boom, bam, slam. There's something to that. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. They're also making a screen protector. When you use it on a regular basis, maybe you get a little aggressive sometimes. You can just drop it in there like that. No one's happy about it. So they got a screen protector now too, so check that out. There you have it, Nintendo Switch D-brand skins. Thanks to them for sponsoring this episode. Definitely go check them out.